Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to see more videos from Montauk Avenue. Today I am making 3 juices with the Hurom H320. And these 3 juices are lovely juices for your immune system, for antioxidants, for energy, for overall wellness and well-being. The first juice I am making has a lot of green. This juice is good for your immune system, for giving you energy, vitamins. It's just overall just great for your wellness. Always, I will leave the recipe, tips, and everything in the description, of course. I am going to be using some spinach. I'm also going to be using some cucumber. I'm also going to be using some green apples. And I'm also going to be using some lime. I'm going to put the soft ingredients in first. So I'm putting the lime in. And I'm also putting the spinach in. I'm going to put the apples in, and then I'm going to put the lovely hydrating cucumbers in. Okay, and so we are going to go ahead and we are going to juice this up. And it looks like we made about a good 10 to 13 ounces. We shall see. It's really green. Probably like 10 ounces. So it made a good 15 ounces, okay? And so we are going to try this juice. We have our lime, green apple, and we have our spinach and cucumber. So let's try our lovely green juice. I think I had this before. I probably did. There's so many variations you can make with the same ingredients, so I definitely love it. Even if you're new to juicing, you will love this. And remember, when you juice, you can always change the recipe in various ways. And as always, I will leave tips, and you can watch my other videos, of course, for more tips as well. So let's get on to the next juice. So this juice is loaded with beta-carotene. It's great for giving you lovely glow in your immune system, and it's anti-inflammatory. Okay, so we are using some carrots. We are also having some oranges, and we are also having some fresh turmeric as well. I'm going to put the oranges in. We're also having some ginger, so I'm going to put the ginger in as well. And the turmeric, it looks like carrots. We are going to go ahead and juice this up. Now this juice looks like it probably made about 8 ounces. Okay, so let's see. So this juice made 10 ounces. All right, okay. I can smell the ginger and the turmeric. I've never had this combination particularly. This variation of combination. I don't think I had ginger and turmeric together. This will be interesting. So let's try it. We have our carrots and our orange and our ginger and turmeric. So let's try this lovely, full of beta-carotene juice. I like it. I like it. I like this. When I drink juices, I just think about how I can play with the recipe and the way it tastes and everything. But I like this. I like the combination. I love it. And I love ginger so much. You'll definitely love this juice. It's really good. Let's try the third juice. This juice is the third juice is very good for when you have seasonal colds, and it's anti-inflammatory and has a lot of vitamin C. This juice, we are using grapefruit, we're using lemon, and we're using oranges. We're going to put the grapefruit in first, and I'm going to put the oranges in. And I'm going to put the lemon in. And we are going to go ahead and juice this third juice up, okay? I'm thinking 10 ounces again, so let's see. You're going to try this lovely third juice. And remember, we had grapefruit, we had oranges, we have lemon, right? And let's try it. Very citrusy, of course. I hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes. These are lovely recipes, especially to make with the Hurom H320. So I'm going to go ahead and bottle up these juices. And as always, I love my divines. I want you to be well. I want you to be true to yourself. Peace, divine.